Our ESIM364 is a fully operational wireless GSM control panel, the most powerful device produced by Eldes. This one device can be used to secure premises, control electronic equipment, measure temperatures, provide alerts about equipment failures, and much more. Know what's going on at home, at your warehouse or summer home, even when you're miles away. Turn the water heater on for a hot bath after work. Check the temperature in your children's room or turn the lights on, all while you're still stuck in traffic. Worry less by simply knowing you'll be alerted immediately in the unfortunate case someone breaks in or a fire starts at a location with the ESIM364. 10 authorized users can easily configure and control the panel through cloud services, mobile applications, keypads or SMSs. The ESIM364 uses GSM networks or an additional PSTN communicator to maintain contact with monitoring stations, easily providing you with data and alerts. Keep in mind, we've made cloud services so you have all the data you need at your fingertips. Just use it. In short, it's more than a common control panel. It's more powerful, has fewer wires, more ideas and possibilities for you and your clients. ESIM364, the brains. Customized by you, produced by Eldes.